Best duckeries, best strawberry duckeries in Geordie Bar. Woohoo! With fresh strawberry. Cheers, guys.
Thank you very much, mate. Right, this is one of the most authentic and best Turkish restaurants in Icmeler. This is Kayra. Let's go inside and order. So first at Kayra, first comes the mezes. So we've got salad, mint yogurt, and then it looks like we've got some sort of spicy salsa. Same over there for Kevin Lucy. And then the starters will come out as well as the Turkish breads. So Kev's gone for lamajin and pita. Pita's like a Turkish pizza, but lots of mint, sometimes peppers, tomatoes. And then you've got lamajin again, very, very similar with some spice as well. And we've gone for pita to starter, and then a margherita pizza. Again, the Turkish always put on tomato on top, but look at that pizza, beautiful. And this is a urfa kebab, absolutely love it. Corey's gone for a pizza, margherita pizza. Rochelle's gone for beiti. Oh my god, love it, absolutely love it. Oh, garlic mayo as well. Urfa kebab, bosh, straight in the garlic mayo. Oh, I have missed you. The way that they cut the mint makes it chunky, not like mint in the UK. And then there's chunks of fat in there as well. Oh, I absolutely love an urfa kebab. Juicy, fresh. With a little bit of lettuce, a little bit of parsley. Now I could pick the wrap up as well, but I'm just being greedy at the minute. Unreal. And then as well as eating my own urfa, I managed to steal some of Rochelle's beiti kebab. So a beiti is an urfa, or a dana if they ask for it, in a wrap with a tomato sauce on top, which is so tasty. And melted butter all over the top of that as well. Love it. Happy off? Kayra, Icmeler, 100%. Check them out. Right, so we've got katmer, which is like a Turkish thin pastry. Pistachio on top, really sugary. And then over here you've got kunifer. Beautiful. Right, so the villa that we've been staying at this week is called Villa Florence. And now we're going to go and check out a few more villas in the area with the same company. Let's go and check them out. Thank you very much, mate. Right, so this one is Villa Azul in Turunç. So you have Marmaris, then Icmeler, and then Turunç. Overlooking all the residents of Turunç. These are the villas just at the top of Turunç village. And this is Villa Azul. Oh,
what do you think?
Very nice. Çok
I make
güzel.
organization. I make all.
Yeah, just 1 week here, please. Where to go upstairs?
Yes, of course.
So you've got a downstairs toilet. Just there. Look at that. Beautiful finish right through the villa. Got the little lights there on the stairs. Natural light coming in from the windows. So as you can see, they're still sorting things out here. So I'm one of the first to come in here, take a walk around and make sure that you lot know exactly what's available from the villas in Icmeler and Turunç. So the views here, you can see the sea over there, so you've got a sea view. All these other villas are all newly built. All look very, very similar. This bedroom's got an ensuite. And the views on this side, Jesus, look at those views. Mountain views one side, overlooking Turunç, sea view to the other side. And that is what you call unbelievable. Check them out. I'm going to put the link for these so you can check out the villas yourself, get a quote. I'm also going to put their WhatsApp number there as well. So the owners are the same owners of the villa where I'm staying at this week in Icmeler. That's Villa Florence. This is Villa Azur. Now this is the main bedroom of Villa Azur with an ensuite. The balcony area, you've got a marble floor overlooking the first floor. This has got sofa beds in this room, again overlooking the other villas. You've got a washing machine about to be plumbed in. Love this, by the way. Love this balcony. And you've got a third bedroom. So again, this Villa Azur in Turunç village, just after Icmeler, that's just after Marmaris, is almost ready. I'll put the link in the description. Get in touch with them on WhatsApp and get a quote for this beautiful villa in Turunç. There she is, Villa Azur in Turunç. Right, this is Tommy's Restaurant, just near the villa, just near Grand Aquarium in Old Town Icmeler. Grand Aquarium's over there. This is Tommy's Restaurant and Bar. Full English there for £5. Special deals there with steaks for £17.50, chicken dishes £13.80, steak dishes there £17.50 with a starter and a dessert. And this is Tommy's. Oh, look at that. Homemade cider, beautiful. Kev's gone for a pizza with sujuk, pizza for Oscar, spag ball for Teddy, Corey's got spag ball, and Michelle's gone for a beef steak sandwich. Get up there. And I forgot Isla went for pancakes. So that's what we've got today at Tommy's Restaurant, just in Icmeler, Old Town, right near the villa and right near Grand Aquarium Hotel. So Geordie's, anyone from the northeast, Newcastle fans across the UK, this is the Geordie Bar in Icmeler. Look at this black and white floor, TVs, Newcastle all over the walls. Let's have a look. Teessiders, I'm so sorry.
Don't be.
Oh yeah, you from Teesside as well? Oh, so am I. So I've just came to the bar. Putting this one on, is tobacco? Flavoured. Oh, beautiful. Very strong, like apple sours. Oh, so now the nuts are coming to the table. Extra salty, making you drink more. But spot on service. The lass is from the northeast. Her husband's just give me some shisha. Nuts. So they drink more.
Yes.
Free nuts. Thank you, mate. So yeah, free nuts, making you drink more. Let's get another Effie's.
Best duckeries. Best strawberry duckeries in Geordie Bar. Woohoo! With fresh strawberry. Cheers, guys.
Thank you very much, mate.